Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are on day 18. Wait a minute. Yeah, we're on day 18. And today, it looks very bright, but today we are going to start putting spawners into here. By the way, if anyone would like some of this stuff, it's basically just miner kit with farmer sword. There's just a normal netherite pickaxe there. And if any of you want it, smelt wand, miner bow with no special enchants, just normal enchants, ender bows, arrows. If any of you want that, you can have it for free. Just pop to my island if I'm online, or message me, do slash MSG. Oh. Please still do PvP and then say like, hi, can I have such and such? And then it'll come to me like that and I'll be like, ooh, yeah, sure, like trade me or come visit my island and I'll drop you it. And then yeah, that'll be it. I'm just gonna punch these off because they're gonna be annoying. Oh, the golems don't move, do they? Oh, that's gonna be annoying. But very annoying. But then, it wasn't as annoying as I thought it would be. I like how they just follow you. And then when you're over here, they just like side-eye you. That sounds so weird to say. This chicken's gone down. I knew that. How can I one tap? How can I one tap a rabbit? You know what? Sorry, rabbit. You're gonna have to go. Bye bye. Oh, that's sorted. Oh, sell that later. But we have bigger and better things to be doing right now. This looks so good with shaders. Like inside. Why am I putting sheep where the chickens are? Sheep's here. There's chicken spawners. And that's where chicken spawners go. So scatters too. So we don't need any of these for now. We need house spawners. We have enough buy to money. We have enough money to buy a few. I say we buy 30. Island missions. Another mob hopper. Just claim all of them. So we need the miner, and then we need the merchant. From D-Boss the past couple of days, I've got 55,000 sky coins. And that's just from D-Boss. So that's quite impressive, I would say. say that that's just from DBoss. That's quite good. Just gonna look what's next on to so we got rabbit, squid, slime and spider. So rabbit, squid, slime and spider. Rabbit. We don't have squid or spider, so rabbit, squid, and then slime. And then we're gonna look for squid and spider on auction house. First we'll go squid. I thought that was 20k then, I was like, what? Yes, please. 50k? The thing is, I don't want to just purchase one. But I don't want to purchase 64. I'm going to purchase 64. It may have been a waste of money. Or it may have not been a waste of money. Either way, it was most likely a waste of money. Yeah. Oh well, at least we have loads of squids now. I pressed nothing. Now I need to do spider. Who's gonna buy that? Who is just gonna, in the right mind, going to buy another Bedrock for 1 billion and then buy 4 for 4 billion? What is a spider? Also, thanks to no spider spawners. Oh well. Thanks to, let me just find who it was. Just a second. It might make just 2 seconds. There we go, I have found it. Thank you to 8-bit Beej 154 for saying nice video, but speak loud at the beginning, and put some current music on in the background, but keep good work. Thank you for the tip. I will hopefully try and get some like music for the next video, but thanks for the tip. I will hopefully get music for the next video, but I just need some calming, like not too loud music in the background, but like I need it so like it's not copyright as well, because I don't want to be paying for stuff like that, so I could have pig step, because I know that that's not copyrighted, but thanks for the comment, I appreciate it. What is next? Skeleton, the zombie here, then Blaze, and then Piglin. I'm just playing one. It's this one. It's this one. And then it goes blaze. No. No. Piglin. Ooh. We shall buy literally one, because there's only one that we can buy. This area is way smaller. We could make it so it's like block that out, break this one. And try it. Oh, that was bright. Glass. New. And then could just have two. No, that doesn't look good. Yeah, that looks decent, I would say. Looks a bit better. Yeah. I'm gonna take the shaders off so that it like looks better, more natural. Because now it looks like with this it looks more natural instead of like realistic. So we need signs, and we just need to go sheet, and then done, and then chicken and cow. And then put cow underneath chicken then. 3, 4, 5. I bet squid. Just, so we've got 309 rabbits and then 2 slime. Then just turn a bit more. Then you see 636 squids. So rabbit. Keep on putting squids. go slime and spider. And then skeleton zombie. Gets tired doing this. No, that doesn't work. Try to hold it down and then just put those in, but it doesn't work. You have to individually tap that. Zombie. And then blaze. If I don't have the spawners, I usually get them off auction house, but if there's none on there, then I will show you what I do in a second. So, piglin, oh, you can't edit the signs. So let me just, what was it? I need glowing socks first. We shall buy a stack. Yeah, so you can do that. And I'll show you what to do. I need this actually. So say I don't have spider and I don't have blaze at the minute. I just go like this. And then cover it all up so no one can get in there. Because people try and find ways to get in there. Because when I did it a few seasons ago, they just tried to end pill through. It didn't really work, but they tried anyway. And then just go like this. And then soon. And do it here as well. Just to make it look nice. I could just do one in the middle. But to make it look nice. I put it on both. On all three, even. All the way across. Bam, bam. We'll do the same on this side. I really want to try and get to the end ship, but it is 1,000 sky coins. But we'll try. If we do, if we do. If we do, if we do. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. We go, and then this one. And then I will go grab some. I think I have some in this chest of mine. I've got some of these. That'll do. And then just got that. I actually need to take all of that out. Do that after I've done this side. So basically all we do, we just do that, and then we have like that, and we have ladders going up. So then we'll put like saying I just had an idea. No, that's not good. There we go. And then do it at the same time. Tighten again. And then we'll just put like the same as what we put on the mobs. Actually, no, a bit different, I think. Put upstairs. Coming soon. Like that. And do it here. Oh, I forgot to count. Let's see. No, just leave it like that for now. And then we'll put ladders in at a later point. And then I need to break this. I was going to say I should have picked up all the stuff. I'll just put it here for now. We'll put all the what's it called? Everything in that, and then we'll put the spawners in as well. Of course, forget glass. 2 pieces. So that's it, yeah. There we go. Oh, my voice. So I do the same thing here. Oh, that's probably better. Oh well, we'll just keep it as what it was. Yeah. And then oh, that's 0. Don't want that. There we go. And then I might change it at a later point, but there we go. We've been a bit slow at vote parties today. Because we've not had one all of this video. So been a bit slow on it. So now if I do /is go, there we go. So you have to do /is set home, and then whichever way you look in it sets it to that direction. I just realised I put this as a blank wall. It needs to be glass. Oh, we'll fix that at a later date. But right now, so the thing's there. and then we'll have saying something. So we'll say welcome. Say welcome. Slash set home to I might fix that. Do slash set up to come back here another time. So we're gonna spawn here straight on. So let's create it like this. Oh. And then I just put join code server for okay, for weekly giveaways, and then we'll do that. Then I'll put it here, setting it I'll put it there. I said put it here. So first of all, I need to get the Discord server open. Never have guessed it. The Discord server will be in the Discord, obviously. It will be in the description. So if you want that, then 1 second. If you want to join it, then click the link in the description. And yeah. It has all sorts of stuff in it. I need to update it, but it will be updated by the time this video is out, hopefully. So yeah, let me just find the invite people. edit invert link, generate a new link, copy, and then let me just, yep, so it has done it. I'm not sure whether you can no, you can't paste onto signs. I'm gonna be smart. Dang it. I'm not then. What I am going to do is use the test server from the what's it called? From the how to make a Discord server video, and I'll use it like that. https://discord.gg/d gg/d v5 j b h g. Okay, people can look at that like that, and then let me just do this. I don't mine is, I'll just put the not that either, at 7323. There we go. So that's all finished. So now, if you come to my island by doing /is visit, that'll do PvP. Oh, now I should be able to do that. Oh, I moved. Now, if I do that, wait, now I will be greeted by this, saying welcome, /set home to come back another time. Oh, this thing is gonna annoy me. Join our Discord for 4 weekly giveaways, and then it gives the Discord server there. And then if you're doing that, then you'll obviously see in the corner here my YouTube, and then yeah. I'll also advertise this tier 1 to, so tier 1 to 3 mob grinder for free. Mob grinder slash shops. I'll put. Actually no, I'll finish it up. But yeah, this Discord server should be up to date by the time this video is up, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.